Alright guys, I'm probably going to get right in the way of this. Make sure you don't snatch your speed sensor wire. This is quite heavy. Just enough to assembly. And I didn't clean off when the grease was all over that upper part of the ball joint. Make sure your pinholes are clean. Alright, stretch it right out. Your ball joint pinholes. Try to clean that surface off and clean the hole out. That's a good idea. Make sure it's nice and clean in there. No sand, no trash. These holes are big enough you can run your finger through it. Make sure they're clean. Don't need no foreign matter between the ball joint pins and the wedge. You won't get an accurate tighten down or gouge it. Okay, here goes. Windscreen, close enough. Bottom one on first. That worked good. And then the top one. Line them up best you can. Push down. Get your bolt and nut started. Spin it on. Okay. Now you'll want to tighten both of them down. You know, boot and tight. So, and as you're tightening them, another tip, notice where your cotter pin hole is before you start. See, like this one's going in this way. I'll actually, before I tighten this nut down, I'll spin this forward to where it goes in like this, and then I'll tighten the nut down back here, where I can get to it. And that way the cotter pin hole will be lined up properly. Same thing with the bottom one. That way, everything is easier to get the cotter pin in and out. Get it tight before you move it, and then you'll, as you can see, the cotter pin hole lines up pretty close to going back and forth like that. That's another tip, just kind of helps. Alright guys, that's that. I'll get the bottom one tight, I'll get the pad switched over in the caliper, and I'll show you putting the rotor back on. I still have to sand around here a little bit, make sure this surface is real clean, this surface is real clean, and the inside of your hub spacer that goes on, because it just makes for easier assembly. Also, another quick tip: clean the bugs and magnetic particles out of your speed sensor right there. Blow all this off, all this stuff in here, kind of clean it out. Especially the metal, if you can. Try to get it off the magnet on this little speed sensor. I already grabbed a great big wad off, but that'll cause problems with your ABS. Alright guys, we'll come back till we get it all back close together. Thanks for watching.